We're on the way to Chichester Uni to play the first date of the Freshers Tour.
We are Lost Tiger, and this song's called Friend of Mine.
Let me tell you about a friend of mine who's not so cool and he's lost his mind. Let me tell you about the friend I knew. Charming, good-looking girls liked him too. He was the coolest guy you've ever seen. One mean, lean-looking pulling machine. Now he's all wrapped up by the rage inside, polluted by the anger that holds his mind. Go. Every day flows further away, and when we speak there's not a lot to say. All the loneliness that plagues your mind leaves you craving a high of a different kind. Wash